Every time you ask an AI question, a data center on the other side of the world burns through 10 times more electricity than a Google search. It uses enough water to fill a small swimming pool every day, and it runs on a chip that can only be made in one place on Earth. The AI revolution is real. The infrastructure it runs on is one of the most concentrated, fragile, and hidden systems in modern history. Every major AI model, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, is trained on one company's hardware. NVIDIA makes the GPU chips that power approximately 90% of all AI training workloads globally. This is not a market preference, it is a technical lock-in. NVIDIA's CUDA software platform has been the standard for over a decade. One company sits at the center of everything. NVIDIA designs its chips, but it does not make them. The chips are manufactured by TSMC, the Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company. TSMC makes approximately 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductors. Its most advanced fabrication plants are located on the island of Taiwan, 100 miles from mainland China. The entire AI industry, every model, every chatbot, depends on chips made in one country, on one island, by one company. AI models do not learn on their own. They are trained on data labeled by humans. Millions of decisions about what is safe. Most of this work is done by contractors in Kenya, the Philippines, and India, earning between $1 and $3 an hour. They spend their days reviewing graphic and disturbing content so that the AI does not show it to you. Training a single large AI model can consume over 500,000 liters of water used to cool the data centers. Microsoft's global water consumption increased by 34% in 1 year. Google's water use rose by 20%. Data centers are being built in Arizona and other water-stressed regions, drawing from the same aquifers that supply farms. A data center running AI workloads can consume as much electricity as a small city. By 2026, data center electricity use is projected to double, primarily driven by AI. Power grids are being asked to accommodate a new industrial consumer that was not in any planning projection before 2022. Every AI model is trained on data, scraped from the internet, books, articles, code, and images. Almost none of the people who created that content agree to have it used this way. The New York Times sued OpenAI in 2023. Authors and artists have filed lawsuits arguing that their work was taken without consent or compensation. The full AI infrastructure stack is controlled by 4 companies: NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. The compute, the models, and the distribution are all in the hands of a very small group of interconnected companies. In the event of a Chinese military blockade of Taiwan, global semiconductor supply would be cut within weeks. The AI industry has no contingency plan that has been made public. The entire stack sits on one island. In Virginia, grid operators have warned that supply cannot keep pace with demand. Prices rise for everyone. In 2023, the European Union passed the AI Act, but the companies most affected were deeply involved in writing it. The battle between open and closed AI is about who controls the infrastructure and the economy that runs on top of it. The infrastructure of AI has been captured by a small group of actors, just like oil and minerals before it. That is the system working exactly as designed. Every system leaves a paper trail. Subscribe to Corporate Autopsy.